Hey, what's up? So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use DALL-E 3 AI for free. Even though it says coming soon, but guess what? You can use this right now for free. Images generated with DALL-E 3 look insanely good. You can also see some of the examples if you go to the official website. So all these images are generated using DALL-E 3. Now, if you want to use this for free right now, then you have to use a image creator by Microsoft. So as you know, Microsoft is using a lot of the OpenAI's tools, or AIs like ChatGPT and the Bing Chat. There is this Microsoft image creator which uses the DALL-E to generate images. So as of me making this video, it is already using DALL-E 3. I have generated a few images with it and they look insanely good. I'm going to show you guys some of the images that I generated using this. I have done only 4 examples here. So here I generated just a art for Mario and Contra character. If you don't know what they are, the video game characters. All right, just look at this image. This is insane. And look at this. A simple prompt, a line in a forest, moonlight, flowers, realistic, and just look at this. It is so detailed and so good. I just have one thing to say. Wow. That's all. This is, wow, amazing. Naruto and Goku chilling, that's the prompt, and you can see they are watching a TV and chilling together, eating ramen. Yeah. And we have another pictures generated. This is just insane. I have just simple prompt here and look at the images. They look so good, so detailed. Everything, it's just insane. And also did another example. I'm a huge fan of Kakashi, so I did the Kakashi with his wife and son. I think the AI is still mixing the Kakashi with Naruto because you can see the stripes on his cheeks. That's in Naruto but not in Kakashi, but I can fix that if I give it a more detailed and longer prompt. But this looks amazing. I think this one is perfect. And now let's generate something. First of all, I want to show you guys, these are the images that I generated using the old image creator with the prompt was a man living in year 3023. The futuristic man. It doesn't look that bad, but if we generate this one more time today with DALL-E 3, I'm pretty sure that the image will look much better. So let's do that. All right, let's do that. I'm just gonna put this simple prompt, a man living in year 3023. All right, let's generate. Wow, this is better, a lot better. He's not facing me, but you can see he has a lot of the limbs made out of metals and wires and stuff like that. And there's the car, and yeah, it looks amazing. Very detailed. And one more thing I forgot to mention, that this version of DALL-E, the DALL-E 3, can also input text in the images. So example, if you want to say something like, let's say a man holding a sign saying something, yeah, you can do that too. Yeah, it's just insane. Yeah, this one is also cool. This one is like cartoonish one, but these two are the realistic ones. So let's actually try to recreate something that the DALL-E 3's website has, like these pictures. Let's copy this. Let's create this. Hopefully we'll get similar type of image. Fantastic. Yes, of course we are not gonna get the exact same image all the time. The AI, they generate images little bit differently every time you run the command. So this one, I like it. This one, I also like it. Almost same as this one, what we see in the DALL-E's official website. So you can see. So by running these commands that you see in the DALL-E's website in Microsoft's image creator, we can confirm that yeah, the Microsoft image creator is already using DALL-E 3. So I actually want to do one more test. Goku and Naruto staring each other for a fight. Let's put that. Let's run this command. I don't know why I want this, but I want this. Wow, look at that. Wow, this is what I like. Yeah, I mean, this DALL-E 3 is just insane. You can't say no. This is just insane. Look at that. It has its own style. We can also specify the style. And but this thing, wow, look at this. Wow, this one this one is the best one. I think Goku is in Ultra Instinct, yeah. But Naruto, why are you not in the nine-tail form? Look at this. Wow, this one is also really cool. I mean, wow. I think that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. Now go ahead and have fun with Microsoft Image Creator and create whatever you like. And you already know what's up, right? It is just insane. That's it. Hope you enjoyed it. If you still have any questions or have any suggestions for me, you can always do the comment and we can have some chit chat in the comment section too. Yeah, that's it. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye-bye.